So they have a recipe. It calls for 2 cups of flour, but they're looking to cut down the recipe, not in half, but by a little bit. They want 3/4 of it. So to do that, take the 2 cups of flour, just multiply it by the fraction you're looking for. That's how you find a fraction of a total. You just multiply. And so to do this without a calculator, you could turn this into a fraction, and then multiplying two fractions, you multiply straight across the top and multiply straight across the bottom. So 6/4. So you could get out a fourth of a cup measure and do it 6 times, or you could simplify this fraction. Divide the top and the bottom by 2. So that's 3/2. So you get out your half cup measuring instrument and measure it out 3 times. Or if you want it as a mixed number, 2 fits into 3 one time without going over. Keep the 2 on the bottom, and we subtract 2 from the top. So 1.5 cups is what they need.